Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 14 July 2018, 03 of hour, 54 of minute and 19 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how do I thread a bobbin on a sewing machine? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how do I thread a bobbin on a sewing machine. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about how do I thread a bobbin on a sewing machine. Raise the needle to its highest position by rotating the hand wheel toward you. Remove the bobbin cover plate by pushing the release button to the right. Insert the bobbin, making sure the bobbin rotates counterclockwise when you pull the thread. Pull the thread through the slot A and then to the left. More items. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.